Wait, what? Oh my god, I can play Helix Jump in this. Like, literally no joke, I'm playing Helix Jump. And I haven't even left the app. Like, no joke. I'm sending you a video. I'm making a video for you and I'm sending it to you. That sounds so wrong. What? Of what? Oh, no, I'm sending you a video of this slime app that I've got. I'm not sure if it's the same slime app that you've got, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure you'll know immediately. No, I want red. Yeah. Everything needs to be red. Comes to me, everything must be red. What? What do you mean black, white, or red? For me, it's mainly black and red or nothing else. What? Oh god, I hate the way slime moves. I hate it. Quit masturbating. Shut up, fart. By the way, this video is going on to YouTube. By the way, it's going on to YouTube.
Video of the slime?
Yeah. And they won't be able to hear a word you're saying, so it'll just sound like I'm talking to myself. I'm not even going to edit it or anything, I'm just going to leave it at that.